The outbreak of monkeypox cases outside of Africa can be contained, the World Health Organization says, as more governments announced plans to launch limited vaccinations to combat rising infections of the virus. The moves came as authorities investigated 237 suspected and confirmed cases of the virus in 19 countries since early May. That number is expected to increase, WHO officials have said, but most of the infections so far have not been severe. Scientists do not expect the outbreak to evolve into a pandemic like COVID-19, given the virus does not spread as easily as corona. Monkeypox is a usually mild viral infection that spreads chiefly through close contact. It is endemic in parts of West and Central Africa.